Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Gerry here in the Lawyer's Video Studio. I'm sitting here in my living room on a beautiful December afternoon waiting for a blizzard to come, and I thought I'd talk to you for a little bit about the state of affairs with attorney online marketing. In the last year, in 2009, what I've seen actually was awful. Why is that? Because attorneys are trying to copy and mimic a lot of the things that they've done with their traditional offline marketing. Like what? Like with their yellow pages and their TV advertisements. With those types of messages, you basically are shouting out to the world, hey, come to me because I'm here, come to me because I'm a lawyer, I've been doing this a long time, that's why you should come to me. Well, I have to tell you that in my experience as a medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney for over 21 years here in New York, I have to tell you that those messages simply don't work. What I've noticed over the last year is that attorneys still don't get it. They're still using the same truncated messages, and even when you have the ability to put information online, which is the super information highway, they don't put the right information out there. So now when somebody does a Google search or some other type of search for a particular type of attorney, now they're faced with the prospect, the daunting prospect, of trying to figure out whether your firm, somewhere coming up on page 1 of Google, is the right one for them. And how do you distinguish yourself from everybody else? And what I've noticed over the course of this year is that most attorneys have a great deal of difficulty being able to distinguish themselves from everybody else. Now granted, you are not allowed to compare yourself to anybody else, right? There's no true and tried way to objectively compare your law firm to anybody else's law firm, because there are so many variables that go into solving somebody's legal problem, as well as the type of law firm that you have and the number of people that you have in it. So how do you as an attorney create a marketing message that's going to help distinguish you, number one. Number two, it's going to elevate your perception of how everybody sees you. And finally, be able to create a message that works for you and not against you. And on behalf of the Lawyer's Video Studio and myself, for 2009, I want to thank you all and wish you all a very successful year. I'm Gerry here in New York. Thanks for joining me.